Hello, today we'll talk about enums. An enum is a set of constants. Each constant is an integer number that starts from 0. So we have 0, 1, and 2. If we try to show one of them, we get a number. We can also change one of the numbers if we want. For example, let's set the enemy to 2. But this will affect all the constants underneath. So neutral will become 3, the next number. We can also have two constants with the same value. Both of them have the same value. Now if we try to use a float value, we'll get an error. Enum values must be integers. We can also give names to our enums, for example, subtitles. And now in order to use those constants, we have to say subtitles dot and pick one of the constants. We can also add negative values. If our subtitles are off, we use -1. So let's print our enum. And it shows up in the form of a dictionary. The keys are strings for the name of each constant, and the values are the integers. That's because the Godot engine is creating a dictionary for every enum we're creating, which means that we can use dictionary methods. We'll see more about them in the future. Find key 2, and that should return large. Also, we cannot have two constants with the same name. Name small was already in this enum. Same goes for dictionaries. We cannot have two keys that are the same. We can also loop through subtitles as if it was a dictionary. Option, that is going to be the name of each key, in subtitles. So if we run this, we get each option and its value. Okay, that was it for the enums. In the next video, we'll talk about the match keyword. Till next time.